Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back to doing some unboxings for the month, and my Young Living order arrived. I actually have two to share with you today because one is my monthly order and one is an order that I used my loyalty rewards points to purchase. So I will show you my monthly order first, and then I will show you what I got with my loyalty rewards points. So this one, I've been out of a while, and our youngest daughter especially has been asking for these. So I was very happy when they came in the mail. I got a 4-pack of the Vitality Drops. So these are an electrolyte drink. I know there's a lot of electrolyte drinks out there, but a lot of them have artificial sugars, colors, and things that you do not want your kids to be drinking. So Young Living came out with this, I think maybe a year or two ago. So this is the lavender lemonade. So I got 2 of those, and then 2 of the bergamot grapefruit. So all you need is to just put 1 little squirt in your water. So it gives it a little flavor. I love to drink water. I can drink it plain, but my girls are a little more picky about drinking water by itself. So this way it gives it a little bit of a flavor, but I'm not worried about any of the extra sugar or flavorings in there, and it's great for electrolytes as well. So I will be busting those open as soon as I'm done with this because they have been asking for their squirt because they like to squirt it into their water bottles. I got a 15 milliliter bottle of peppermint. So this has a lot of different uses, but I actually bought this for my husband because he puts a drop of peppermint oil in his water in the morning just to kind of settle digestion and things like that. So I wanted to make sure I got a big bottle of that for him. And it's also great for any head tension, neck tension, sore muscles, all those things. So multi-purpose use. And this is from the Vitality line, which is the white label. So it is safe to ingest. That one. Let's see what we got. Oh, and I need to restock on toothpaste. I like to have at least one backup in case it goes out of stock, which it sometimes does. It's quite popular. So this is the Thieves Whitening Toothpaste. I've been using this for at least 2-3 years now. Just kind of switching everything out. No fluoride, no foaming agents and things like that. So it's all natural, has orange essential oil in it. So I think it tastes really good because I've had some other toothpastes that are all natural and they don't taste great. So I do have some samples of these that I like to send out to people that haven't tried the Thieves Whitening Toothpaste before because I really enjoy it and talk about it a lot. Let's see what else I got. And then I have a new product. I like to try a new product each month. And this is their shampoo and conditioner. So I have been using their Copaiba Vanilla shampoo and conditioner for probably a year or 2 now. I like it. It's so hard to find like natural shampoos and conditioners. And like I always say, it's all about balance because I do try to choose the products that I bring into the home, but I do also like to have dessert on occasion and, you know, things that aren't necessarily great for me, but it's all about balance. So they just reformulated their shampoos and conditioners. So I wanted to try the clarifying conditioner and shampoo. This is the lavender mint. I don't put any product in my hair other than my like hair oil, or I just recently found an all natural dry shampoo. So that's pretty much all I put in my hair. But I just feel like my hair, with being so thick, it just absorbs the shampoo and conditioner and just kind of makes it feel weird. So I'm hoping that this clarifying will just kind of get rid of all that buildup in my hair for whatever reason. So I'm excited to give it a try. I haven't actually smelled it yet. So let's see. Oop, that one's got the cap on. I think this other one does not have a cover. It smells good. I love mint, vanilla mint, anything that's got mint just kind of feels nice on your skin, your scalp, and all of that. So I will report back and let you know how I am liking the new formulation of the shampoo and conditioner, but I've heard a lot of great things about it, so excited for that. And then I got vanilla. So this is not like vanilla extract, like what you cook with and things like that, or bake with, but it's actually like a resin. So it's actually really thick and it takes quite a while. It's like the whole entire process to extract this from the plant. And as you can probably guess, it smells amazing. Great in all diffuser blends. I like to add it with orange, just to kind of give it like an orange creamsicle in my diffuser. And then a little tip that I have been doing is I actually pour the vanilla into a little dropper bottle. I got these, I think, a 50 pack on Amazon. I'll see if I can post the link for that, because it is a thicker oil. It doesn't come out as easily, so that way I don't even know if I'll be able to pick anything up because it's not full. But you get the general idea. I can just go in, pick up what I want, and just drop it into my diffuser. You could also add it to a perfume blend if you want that sweetness in there. So I'm excited to restock on that because I have been out for quite a while. And then now I'm getting into my loyalty rewards. I've been saving up my points for the last year or so, just so that I can get some of the more expensive products that I wouldn't normally want to pay for, because for every order I get 20% back in points. So all I have to pay is shipping. So some of these are restocks, some of these are products that I have not tried before. But first one, which I'm restocking it on, is the CBD Calm Roller. I have been like savoring every last drop of my last bottle. So I figured it was time to stock up and use some of my points on that. And then there's a lot of CBD companies out there, but I trust Ylang Ylang, and they have partnered with Nature's Ultra CBD to have 0% THC, so you're not going to get high or anything like that. And it's infused with Ylang Ylang essential oils, which makes it a smart spectrum CBD, which means that the oils deliver the CBD to the cells in your body. So I use this mostly at bedtime, but you can use it any time of the day. It has lavender, orange, vetiver, which I actually love. It's kind of like a woodsy smell, which I'm not a big woodsy smell person, but I really love it with other combination oils in this. So I usually just roll it on my wrists or behind my ears, or you can just smell it right out of the roll-on. And I love that it's a roll-on, so that way I can take it on the go if we are traveling. And then the next one I got, which I love in a lot of different blends, but I've never actually had the oil by itself because it is a little bit more of a pricier oil, but it comes in a big bottle, so I know that this will last me a while. So this is Ylang Ylang, which actually means flower of flowers. I did a little research on that, so it just kind of helps with balancing hormones and emotions and things like that. It's in peace and calming, which I've talked about before, that I love to use personally, and in our girls diffusers at night. It's in Joy essential oil blend, which is another one that I love, and it's in Gentle Baby blend, which is one of the first oils that I used on our youngest daughter when she was having some trouble sleeping. So I know I like the oil because it's in a bunch of blends, but I've never actually had it on its own. So I'm going to open it up. Whoops. So good. I'm going to be making some either perfume blends or roller blends with Ylang Ylang and a couple other ones. So I'm excited to actually have the oil on its own in my repertoire here. And then another one that I have not tried is Cypress, which, like I said before, not a big fan of like woodsy scents necessarily, but I actually really like it in the Breathe Again roller that I have. It's very dry around here, so I just always wake up just stuffy and dry. So I've been putting on this Breathe Again roller, like down the bridge of my nose, just to kind of help open things up. And then I looked at the oils on here, and there's Cypress in here. So I was like, well, maybe I'll give that a try. Just helps with like circulation and grounding, emotional support. So I'm going to smell it on its own. It's good. It's very surprising to me that my sense of smell has changed a little bit, and I like some of the woodsy oils when combined with some of the more like citrus, floral oils. But so the Cypress, the Ylang Ylang, and the CBD Calm were all used with my points, and all I had to pay was shipping. And then with my monthly order, those points got added into my account. So I think I still have over 100 points. So I have to be thinking, what's the next thing that I'm going to save up my points to use, because other stores are not giving me 20% back. And I think next month I will be getting 25% back on my monthly order to get the oils for our house, toothpaste, shampoo and conditioner, all delivered to my house, but I don't have to go out to the stores and get those things. But those are my 2 boxes for this month. Thank you for watching, and comment below what your favorite item was. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more unboxing videos in the future. I'll see you next time.